Hey, welcome! Today we're going to be learning how to play the Alabama Gal game. First things first, we're going to have two lines. It's helpful to have one line be girls and one line be boys. Sometimes that's not possible though. So the two lines are going to be facing each other with a gap in between, and the heads of the lines are going to join hands, and they're going to shuffle down to the end of the line and shuffle back. So it's going to go, come through in a hurry, come through in a hurry, and then they're going to shuffle back. Come through in a hurry, Alabama gal. The next verse is, I don't know how, I don't know how, I don't know how, Alabama gal. So for this verse, it's going to be swinging your partner with your right arm. So it's going to be going, I don't know how, I don't know how. And on the next part of the verse, use your left arm. I don't know how, Alabama gal. The third verse of the song is, I'll show you how, I'll show you how, I'll show you how, Alabama gal. The third verse of the song is, I'll show you how, I'll show you how, I'll show you how, Alabama gal. And this part, the heads of the lines, the ones that went down and back, they are now going to be leading their lines. I call it peeling a banana. So they're leading their lines around, and they're going to meet at the end to make a bridge. So the bridge would kind of be like this with their other partner across from them. Once the bridge is made, the fourth and final verse is, ain't I rock candy, ain't I rock candy, ain't I rock candy, Alabama gal. And at this point, the bridge is made and all the other students are coming around the bridge and through the bridge, like that. So it's, ain't I rock candy, ain't I rock candy, ain't I rock candy, Alabama gal. At this point, you're going to have two new leaders of the lines because the original leaders were the bridge, and now they're at the end of the line. This game is really fun because you can play it non-stop. So once the entire song is sung, you have new leaders and the game just keeps going on and on and on. Now the song can become very repetitive for you students, so be sure to check out my Teacher Tips and Tricks video. It's under the playlist Teacher Tips and Tricks for Alabama Gal. There are some additions you can do to the game to keep it fresh and interesting and keep your students' brains engaged in the game. Thanks for checking it out, and please subscribe somewhere down below here. Bye-bye.